Hello, beautiful ladies. I hope you're having a beautiful evening, morning, or afternoon, depends when you're watching this presentation. I will try to make this presentation short, although there's a lot of things I want to talk about. So I'm going to focus mainly on two things. So the first part of the presentation will be about Canva, to show you what you can do in Canva, what are the new features there, how to work with video in Canva. And the second part, a little bit shorter, will be about Pinterest and how to use Pinterest to drive traffic to your web, to your blog, maybe to your Instagram account. Okay, so let's start. I'm gonna share my screen. And the first thing I've just prepared, I screenshot this image which shows the difference between Canva Free and Canva Pro. I'm sure there's more things. I've been using Canva Pro nearly since the beginning. So as I will be showing you some things, you can see and compare whether you have it in your Canva Free account or not. But generally, the difference between Canva Free and Canva Pro is that you can use all the photos, all the elements, you can use all the fonts and videos. You can upload your own brand kit, logo, fonts, colors. You can remove the background from the pictures. You can schedule from Canva to all social media. There are amazing animations and elements which are not in Canva Free, or you have to pay for them. Then there are different ways how to download in higher quality. You can resize also with Canva Pro. I think it depends on how much do you use Canva for your brand. I mean, obviously content is number one, but today when there's so many people online, I think it's quite important also the visual side of the things. Like you need to catch attention somehow, and the visual, what does it look like, makes a difference quite often. So I think to have Canva Pro is worth it, and not only for your Instagram account or Facebook account, but generally there's so many options you can do. You can use it for also for private use, let's say. So I think it's worth it, but that's up to you. Okay, so now I'm going to open my Canva, and there we go. Okay, so what I wanna show you first, I put a little notes here, not to forget. So some the new, I'm gonna, let's say, put Instagram post. Some of the new features you might not know that they are there, which are really handy. So let's say I will upload some photo in here. Okay, or something where there's more color. Okay, this one, the Tanya post. So one of the new features is eyedropper feature. If you go, or if you want to, let's say, have some background or color some of your elements or font, here's the icon for eyedropper. So you click on it and you go and you can choose any color you like, or you can choose the color from the image or element you have on your design already. This is quite handy because before this wasn't possible. You always had to insert the exact hex code of the color. So now you have with eyedropper, you can actually pick any color from the image that you have with eyedropper. There's also another way. Let's say I change it back to different color. You can always go down here, and if you have any photo on your post or design, always here it shows you the photo colors, and it takes out the colors from the photo which are used there. So this is how you can get your post or your design with the same colors. Yeah, so you can adjust it to the same colors, and you don't need to search for the photo. There's also websites and applications where you can get the color hex code, but I think this is the fastest way. And now with the eyedropper icon, okay, so when you go plus, and here you pick the eyedropper. So with the eyedropper icon, you can go for any color you need. So that's one of the functions. Then there are few new functions or functions, let's say, when it comes to images. Okay, let's change this to different color. So when you have an image, I will just insert some photo. Let's go, where do we have photos? Styles, text, videos, elements. I don't have any photos here. Okay, so I choose some different photo. Okay, this is Lucy's stuff. Elements, no styles, audio, videos, background. My photos, my images just disappeared. I don't see it. Okay, so photos, there we go. So for example, we've got this photo here. Okay, so there are some new functions that you can do with the photos, which weren't there before, and they're really great. So you click on the image you want to edit. First of all, you can animate the image that was there before. You can make it more transparent over here. Yeah, you can insert a link. But when we go to edit image, there's a general adjusting of the image. Yeah, but now you can do the filters. Now there are two new functions, which is auto enhance and auto focus. So this one will enhance your photo. So for example, when your photo, or when you have taken photo from your mobile, so this will correct the colors or the lightening and so on. Okay, so this is the one. Oh, let's go back. Okay, this photo is good, so it doesn't need auto enhancing. And another function, which is there, edit image, is autofocus. So it means it will focus on a certain area of the photo and make the background blurred. So it makes really nice photos, especially with portraits, for example. Then what else you can do? There's like duotone, photogenics, mosaic, but there are paint effects which weren't there before. So you can turn your photo into some kind of paint effect, yeah, like this, for example, or like this. It could look nice if you play around with this on different photos, or for example, when you create some posts, you can actually make it look totally different. And then you always go apply. Here you can set the intensity of it. Yeah, or there's this option always. Color mix, then you've got different effects, 3-piece slice, screen, and so on. But these two, I think, are really handy, especially when we take the photos from mobile and they're not perfect, so we can autofocus them over here. The great thing about Canva Pro, it's background remover. Okay, so you can remove your background just by one click. And you don't need to do it in different program. This is really good when you have some photos, for example, you at home and you don't want to see your background over there. So you can do it like this. Then there's always good, for example, when you use some photo of you. I use different photo now. This one gets stuck somehow. Okay, let's say this lady. Or let's choose this one, for example. Okay, I might make this bigger so you can see it. So we go edit image, background remover. It takes usually a while until it removes. It's pretty detailed most of the time. If not, you can still delete it a little bit, yeah. And then usually when you, for example, it's your own photo and then you want to use it, it's always good when you remove the background, you download the image and upload it again to Canva, and you download the image as PNG, okay? So for example, this one, yeah, this is how we would like it. So if, let's say, if this would be my photo, oh, I just move it so it came back to original. But let's say there's no background and this would be my photo. So I would download this one as PNG and upload it again, and then I can use it anywhere in my posts. It would be kind of ready and I can put it wherever I like. So this is regarding photos. Another great new thing which is here is when you go down here, it's usually you're gonna have it here with 3 dots. I already use it, so I put it here. It's a drawing tool. So now actually you can draw like this and you can draw whatever you like. Yes. Okay, you can choose whether you want pen, marker, glow pen, eraser. You can change the size of it. So again, if you want to make your post a little bit different, or if you like to draw, you can do it here. This is a beta version, but it's working pretty fine. Then what else? Images. Let's go back to images a little bit. Okay, images, text. I don't see images here. I don't know what happens to my images. Okay, so if we go to images, let's say I've got this image and I'm looking for images in similar style or similar color. So what can I do? I can go and search for example, pink office, let's say, yeah? And I've got images, pretty similar images of pink office or in this theme. Let's say I like this style of the image. So what you can always do is go here with 3 dots. And over here, either you've got a keywords that helps you to look for the similar image, or see more like this, but not always is something like that. When you start it, you kind of save this image to your liked file. But what you can do, you can look over here, who made it, and click on it. And then you usually get a similar set of the images, or the images made from this brand designer. Okay, and this is the brand. As you can see, you can save this somewhere else. And every time you look for this style of images, you just insert the brand here and it shows you again. Okay, I do it quite often with elements, for example. And another thing that you can do with the images, okay, photos. So let's go again back to pink office. I can go here. You see these 3 lines with little circles. I can click on it and I can search for images by the color, by the orientation, whether it's animated, whether it's free or pro. So let's say I want yellow, I want vertical, and I want pro. And when I apply the filters, it shows me all the images which are yellow, vertical, and in pro. So this is another way how you can search for images in a certain color. If you want those images in a certain style that you like, you found there, it's always good to look 3 dots. And who made these images? You click on it and you see the images from this designer. Same, it works with elements. So if we go to elements, for example, I don't know, let's say feather, okay. And I'm doing something in boho style and I want to this kind of feathers. So I go over here. Okay, this is Sketchify. They've got lots of elements, but these are all the elements they're doing, and as you can see, they are pretty similar styles. So this is a really good tip how to make your post consistent, coherent in one style. Or if you like something, you go again 3 dots and you style it. Okay, and then you go here on the left. It is, where is it? Down here in your folders and start folders. And here are all the things that you start. For example, you stumble across you really like, but you know you're not gonna find it next time, yeah? So you just start it and you always find it here, okay? So for example, I've got this style of frames here. So I'll go to, so I put the Pinterest up, so it doesn't let me go. So I go here, 3 dots, and let's see, I go again to the brand, yeah, brand designer. And as you can see, this designer designed the elements in very similar style. So if I do some design and I need more of the elements in this style, I always knew I have to go here. And I either save it in my likes, or I just really, I really save this brand with a little note. I use Trello for that. And I can come back to it every time I'm looking for something that makes it more organized for me. So these are images. We were talking about the drawing tool. Okay, the very last thing I want to show you, I delete this. It's option of inserting QR code. I don't know if you knew that it's possible, but it works really well. So again, here on the left, you go down, you will either have it here by 3 dots. When you go to more, I've used it already. So I don't have it here, you might have it here. You just click on it and open it, okay? So I've got it here, QR code. And what you do, you just enter some URL. So let's say I go barbaratemplate.com. You press generate code, and this, there you've got a QR code, okay? And this QR code is active. When you download the image, it's working, yeah? When someone reads the QR code, it will bring the person to the web page you've inserted here. So let's say you opening a new course, and you don't want to put all information on the leaflet or poster. So you can write like, find more information here and insert QR code. You can, you know, you can put it wherever you like. You can actually color it so it matches with your design, for example, yeah. And you can save the space on the post by inserting all the information, or for anything actually, yeah, that depends. It's up to you what do you use your QR code for. Okay, so that's QR code. And now let's go to videos. Okay, there are lots of new features when it comes to videos. Actually, you've got a templates for all the types of social media on the videos, for the stories, for TikTok, Facebook, short video, Pinterest video, and mobile video generally. Yeah, everything in Canva actually can be animated or made into video. That's a great thing. So I'm going to type in video. And let's say, let's go for mobile video, yeah, for horizontal mobile video. Okay, you can use some of the templates which are here. You can choose from type of the videos you like, but let's go from the scratch. I want to show you how it works, or what can you do over there. Okay, I just move this up here. So this is what you get when you're starting from the scratch. Okay, this is the video size, and here, okay, this is the space where you're going to edit your video. The great thing about this is, first of all, for example, for me, it's very difficult to edit video on mobile. I mean, like, you know, to just cut it, that's fine. But then when I need to fit in exact space with the text and everything, it's complicated for me. Also, to cut the videos in Filmora, you need much more time to learn that. There are great effects. And I think this is some kind of middle way where you can edit your videos pretty fast. You can do them visually nice, and it's quite easy actually. Yeah, it needs a little bit of practice at the first time, at the beginning, but then it's much more comfortable, or mainly for me, but like I guess for many more people, when you see it on the big screen than on your mobile screen. So let's insert, for example, this is going to be some video post to, I don't know, Instagram, for example. So what I can do, I can actually make it visually nice. Yeah, so I can insert some frame where I want my video to be. Okay, I can insert some text. Okay, let's make the text bigger, 100. So my video, okay, or reels, actually you can edit reels here, which is also good because reels are really short and every second counts. And here you can see it nice and clear. Okay, so my video, I can put some element there. What did we have here? That feather? No. I just have a look if we've got some elements, something what will be visible there. Okay, let's say arrow. Okay, so let's imagine you create a beautiful post, but it includes video and you want that video to do something. So as you can see here already, it shows like what we put in there. So now we're going to insert video. We go to videos. I will insert some video from here, any video. Okay. So this one gets much bigger. So what I can do now, as you can see, when you go here with your mouse, yeah, it already shows you a little frame for the video. First thing down here, you can, this one is you can make your post size bigger so you see it better. But when you click here, this is for your video, yeah. So you can see your video every second, like it enlarges your video so you can get more detailed, okay? So this is when you see your video. So let's play this video. Okay, it doesn't have any sound right now. As you can see, the mouse goes here as the video goes, yeah? So I think that this video is too long. So how do I cut it? So I go and I just move by the mouse. As you can see down here, I just move what I want to cut, okay? So I play again and now it has only 7 seconds, yeah? Then when I go with my mouse over here, you see the 3 dots. I click 3 dots and you can add the page, delete page, duplicate. Okay, I go over here with a line. I go to 3 dots and now you can see I can add split. So this is where you cut it. So now I split it into 2 separate videos or 2 separate sheets. Yeah, this is one, this is the second one. Here in plus, I can add transition if you like. So let's see, there are different transitions you can add, or I can add page, or I can add, for example, image. So let's say I want to add this image over here. So I just, I go add page. Like this, I've added page, and here in this page, I put image, okay? So as you can see, now I've got first part of the video, image, and second part of the video, yeah? I can add transitions between if I like, I don't have to. I can also, by going plus, I can add another page, and in this page, I can, for example, upload another video, which is when you go to videos and or uploads, yeah, the video which I've made, and uploads videos. So for example, I upload this one, okay? This one has a sound. So I go stop. First of all, for example, I want to cut this one, and this video I don't want with a sound. So as you can see, I click on it, and up here, I can edit the video which I've got in the post. Yeah, so I can cut the video here as I like. I go done, or I can delete the sound of the video. I can make it mute. So when you click on the video which you have in the post, up here, you can edit the video itself. Down here, you edit the whole video post, if you understand me, yeah? So let's say I don't want this one, but I want to make it into some, I want to insert it, I want to create like really new post and then insert the video. Okay, like this. I go stop, and I don't want sound, and I want to cut it. So I will cut it like this to 1.5 seconds. Yeah. So when we go at the beginning, so first I've got one part of the video, then I've got some image, then I've got another part of the video, which goes now, and last, it's the last video I've inserted there. So you can actually, you can mix, you can create your video with from different elements. It's up to you. For example, at the beginning, there could be this intro section. Yeah, people always use. Same at the back. In the middle could be the main video plus maybe some image. Yeah, you can also, if you look at it, I just go like this and I drag the order of the videos. Yeah, I change the order of the videos or elements I put there, as simply as that. Now I want to add the sound or music to videos. Okay, so I'm here, as you can see, I'm at the beginning. I go to audio and I can add any audio I like. Okay. And it doesn't play right now. Oh yeah. Okay, so now I see I don't want it to be quiet at the beginning. So I go 3 dots and I go adjust the audio. I move it like this. Where do I want the song to start? Yeah, for example. Let's check if it's better. Yeah. Now, for example, I'm not happy with the intensity of the sound. So I go again to my audio, 3 dots, and I go to volume. And here, oops, here you can adjust the volume. Yeah. You can also duplicate it. You can delete it. You can, okay, let's delete this one. 3 dots, delete. But let's insert the video only from the audio to go from here. So as you can see, I'm here with this, oh gosh, I don't know what is it called, with this little hand. So I click on the audio I want to add, and it starts from here. Yeah. Again, I can make it shorter. I can make it bigger. If I'm not sure, I go here, I zoom thumbnails, yeah, and I can, oops, again, and here I can see it clearly, yeah, so that's up to you. So this is how you add audio. I can go to uploads and I can add my own audio. Yeah, if you have some, it could be even sound. Yeah, it doesn't have to be song. So that's with audio. What else? One more thing. I open a new tab here. You can use the post which you already have. For example, I go here, all your designs, and I use some posts that I've already done. Okay, so let's say I use this post. Okay, it could be let's say the intro or the post at the end when you're telling people click here, do this and do that. So as you can see, I can animate the whole post. Yeah, I can play around with text, with effects, and I can animate each element. Yes, okay. So this part might not be video, it's just animated elements on the posts, but it also shows as a video when you download it. So let's say if I animate this heart. Okay, so when I play, you see it comes there. Okay, so you can save your, or maybe you can prepare when you're doing some videos, and if there's a certain part that repeats, you can prepare it, and then you can always just insert it in the video where you need, and you don't need to create all over again. And also don't forget that you can animate plenty of things. So let's say your video is short, it's maybe 10 seconds, but then you've got 2 images or 2 post likes, and you can animate lots of things on those posts, and it will make your video more interesting. So this is how you can create video yourself, quite simply, I would say. It's much easier for me than on mobile, especially, for example, with text. Yeah, because as you can zoom these thumbnails, you can fit in really with the text that you need. Yeah, it's much clearer than when you're doing on mobile. And I think you have more options, and also your videos could be visually more eye-catching, because you can use different elements. When you go, let's say, to elements, you can use from these frames, you can use any frame for your video when you're talking. You can also use video at the background. So let's say here we have one video, but I can insert the video at the background, as you can see. Yes, so there's like 2 videos in one. Or I can insert some element and insert another video in that. So there's lots of options you can play around. Yeah, as you can see, the videos are playing at the same time. Yeah, so for example, when you're creating reels, yeah, this could be some, for example, this could be the area where you talking or showing something, and you can put or insert some video at the background where, I don't know, let's say you're showing your product, or video from your lessons, or anything actually, or some animated text. Yeah. So this is with video. How do you download it? Actually, you can even add notes, but I'm not going to talk about notes now. How you can download it? You go to download, and here you download MP4. But what you can also do here is an option. You can present it, which means that you can present it, or you can present it in present review. So let's say for your students, or you prepare some presentations which is made of videos, and you can present it live. with present review. I'm just gonna show you quick. I'm not gonna present review. Okay. So present review. Okay, once again, present review. I don't know now when I am actually full exit. No. So present review. This is what you present, and over here. Over here you see your notes, but now it actually doesn't really work because I'm recording this video. But generally the present review is that you can present live. Yeah, you can actually send a code and people can join you live. Autoplay view, standard view. Yeah, so this is one of the options how you can download it. You can share the link, and there here's the option present and record. So again, you create a presentation, you present, if you click on this, you present the presentation and you record it at the same time. Yeah, so another great thing, you can do all the things in one place. Okay. So I think this is all regarding how to create a video. One more thing we have here is record yourself option. Yeah, that's also like one of the new options. So if you click on it, yeah, it cannot be accessed. Okay, all right, yeah, because, well, so I cannot show you because now I'm recording it, but record yourself. It works very similar as in Canva. When you click on it, you've got a tab there, and you've got an option that you can share the tab which in Canva, or you can share something else on your computer. You just choose what tab from your computer you want to share, and you press record. And then when you're done, you press stop, save your video, and your video will upload up here, yeah, on the post which you have open, but also it will be here in the upload videos. Okay, so try it. It's again a great thing how to do everything in one place. So you create a presentation for the students, for example, a topic which you talk about all the time, present simple tense, present perfect. You record yourself explaining the topic, yeah, based on the presentation which you made in the Canva, and you save it, and you can send it to your students over and over again. You don't have to explain it all the time. Yeah, for example, you can prepare many topics like this, or it could be some kind of bonus, it could be magnet lead, whatever. All right, so let's see, I'm just going to show you how I made one of the videos. I've got them somewhere here on like the real video. Which one was it? Just let me a second to find it. Video, yeah, so this is the vertical video. So as you can see, this is one of the videos. When I was learning this, I was playing around. So the first part, this one, it's just an image. Yeah. But I animated the font. Yeah, the font is animated. Then the second part. Hi there. So this is the real video which I've cut. Okay, as you can see, this is one video which I've cut. This part stays the same. I've just inserted the video there. I've cut the length of the video, as you can see. If I click over here, yeah. So the video was shorter originally, longer, sorry, but I've cut the video itself, and then I just adjust it over here. And this is the music I've added there. Yeah. So let's play it once again. Hi there, this is Barbara template. Today I'm going to show you how to. Yeah, so as you can see, it's the same image. The font is animated, or the text is animated. The same image, I actually duplicate the image. So this is animated, so it goes on and on again. I just changed this picture for video frame, insert my video, click on it over here, cut the video as I need it, and then I just added the music, and that's it. Yeah, short intro. You can use this whether it's vertical or vertical or horizontal, and doesn't take a lot of time. Yeah, maybe first time, second time, but then it's pretty fast. Well, okay. So I think that's all for now. Probably lots of information. Honestly, I'm not sure exactly how much of this is there in Canva for free. If you want Canva Pro, I can share with you a link for Canva Pro for 1 month. You can try it. You can prepare some visuals, for example, and see whether it's worth for you to have Canva Pro or not. For video options, video, as you can see, there's plenty of options for video, mobile video, video for Instagram, for Pinterest, video for all the social media, YouTube intros. Honestly, like plenty of videos. You can actually get even the templates. Yeah, so you don't have to think about the effects. For example, they are already there. You just insert your video, but you've got the template for the video. Yeah, let's have a look. If I go to general video, okay. So as you can see over here, if I, for example, want business video, yeah, you just look at a video and the effects which are there, and you can use it. Yeah, you just change the colors of the background. Yeah, for example, this project report. You insert your image or video, you change the text, yeah, and you don't have to create it yourself from the scratch. So this can really save your time a lot. Okay, I have a drink. So I think that's all for now for Canva. If you have any questions, ask me, write down in the comments, write me, I'll be happy to help you with that. Maybe try to create some videos, or for example, some posts with images which are, let's say, animated, or where you use these effects, the new effects of the colors, coloring, drawing, and